How is it to be married with a beautiful, noble queen actress?
Patricia Javier.
Patricia Javier.
Oo. Siyempre, she's super magaling, diba? She pushes us all very hard. She's really the catalyst that has really makes this so successful. Obviously, we have provided great service, but Patricia has the relationships with you guys, and she's the one that really is the master promoter. She's so good, and she's a great mom. She's a great wife. So we're very, very blessed.
So how is your married life till now?
It's very good, Paul. Yeah, it's very adventurous. We have a lot of fun together. We do some traveling, and we're enjoying being a team. And we are all on the same mission. Like our whole family is kind of on this wellness journey that we promote, and it's also something we can do as a family. So it's very fun.
How about you, Patricia? How is it get married with a foreigner like Dr. Rob?
Alam niyo po, being married with a foreigner like Doc Rob is like an adventure. Para po tayong nasa roller coaster. Ganun-ganon. I think kahit hindi naman po foreigner mapangasawa natin kapag may asawa na po tayo. Wala naman pong perfect relationship. Pero po, with Doc Rob po, dahil po na the way kami magmahalan, we give and take. Yung asawa ko po, isa pong masasabi na hindi po siloso. Nakakalabas po ako ng bahay at nakakauwi ako ng bahay na hindi po yung iniisip ko na magagalit ang asawa ko dahil lumabas ako, ganyan. My asawa always saying, okay, just have fun. And then pag uwi ko sa bahay, okay, did you have fun? Alam mo yung gano'n, hindi yung tipong parang, sino kasama mo sa pumunta? And then usually, di ba, te-text ka, gano'n, nasan ka? My asawa, you know, we've been together for 19 years of marriage. And I don't really remember na he always texts me, where are you? He always say, are you having fun? Yeah.
So you believe that you're really meant for each other for life?
Opo naman. Siyempre po, wala naman pong there's always, sabi nga po, ang relationship po talaga, minsan, nawawala yung pagmamahal, pero po pagdating po sa commitment, diba po? Pag nag-commit ka sa isang tao, kinumit mo yung sarili mo, kahit may times na hindi kayo okay, isipin mo yung kailangan maging okay kayo. And through the help of God, you know, God is the center of our life. I always ask God, kakayanin ko ba to? God always tell me, oo, kaya mo yan, kaya binili ko sa'yo yan. But in general po talaga, si Dr. po talaga ay napaka-mabait na tao. Ang hirap nga po dito sa asawa ko, lahat inaampon, lahat ng makitang mga hayop sa sa lansangan, mga pusa, mga aso, nagiging Cinderella. Kasi dati meron kaming pusa, isa lang. Tapos ngayon, how many cats we have now then? 5? 4 na. May 4 na kaming pusa. At yung pusa namin, nagtataka ako. Sabi ko, bilis lumaki nito ah. Yung pala yung asawa ko, yung binibili niyang pagkain, mas mahal pa dun sa sa pagkain ng tao. Kaya sabi ko, swerte na itong pusa na to. So, gusto ko lang po i-point out dito na yung nature po ni Doc Rob is talagang mapagmahal na tao.
Okay, thank you.
Hindi siya seloso. Ikaw, hindi ka ba, ang gwapo-gwapo niyan, hindi ka ba selosa? Siya ba nakakaalis ng,
Alam mo, honestly, I'm selosa talaga ako. Pero, sabi ko, pag nag-asawa ka ng gwapo maganda, hindi ka pwedeng magselos. Kasi maghihiwalay lang kayo.
So, hindi mo siya iniigpitan?
So, pag I invited him na, okay, let's go here. And then, pag sinabing ayaw niya, okay, good. No, pero I learned so much with our relationship for 19 years. Ang daming naming napag-aralan o natutunan.
I met her in 2003, right? She was at the height of her career, Patricia Javier. So I met her right then. And then she moved away to America.
Well, some at that time they were thinking you stole her away.
Yeah, I remember I was in some tabloids. Yeah, the doctor that took Patricia Javier. Yeah, I remember that.
But no regrets.
No regrets. See what we have
We have
now.
2 boys, and now we're here. I paid her back because she left her career, and that's a really big deal. And so that's another reason I said, okay, I owe it to her to come back so she can be with her family some more. So it worked out well.
Na-inlove ka na sa Philippines. Na-inlove ka na sa Philippines.
Do I love the Philippines?
Na-inlove ka na. You fell in love.
Yeah, I love it here. I love the people. Yeah, I do. It's great. You guys are the best. Yeah.